Have a little bit of a look at what you're doing. Heating something up. It's ripping out the lead. Yeah. Bit of a nasty one, that one, wasn't it? All right, with a restoration like this and dents that bad, there's always going to be a little bit of body filler in there, guaranteed. But I have a rule: if a common fridge magnet can't stick to it, then there's too much in there. So let's just do a little bit of a test. We got a little bit of nicky in there. Probably the worst or the deepest spot might be there. And the magnet, it's just a weak magnet. It's not a powerful one, but it's sticking really nicely. All over. Yep, that'll be fine. This is looking good. Need some more clamps. Oh yeah, so you've had to make an adjustment there.
Put it on there, it's a different position, eh?
When you clamp it down.
Yeah, I marked it, made it all nice.
So what are these little clamps? These are specially designed to sort of
to hold it.
Hold the joint together while you weld.
That's the idea of
Cool.
it. Holds the panel under there.
Yep.
And you just tighten it up and then that's it. Gap for welding.
Yep.
That little thin bit. Yeah, they're very handy.
Simples.
That's easier than fucking making it and grinding it, isn't it?
Yeah, nice. Nice and clean.
We might put one up here on the side there. You want to have a go, Troy?
Is that lead going to reach his feet?
So just use your finger to push it across. Yeah, make sure you're going as far as you can. So clamp it. Can you use your finger? Keep going. Okay. Next one. Hold up. Keep it clamped while it's still red.
Yep.
Come around this side. Go in a bit. That's it. You use your finger. Use your finger
on and off.
You've got it on. It's staying on. Just use your finger. There it is. Tripping it again.
Oh, that's what you get when you buy welders off Temu.
Oh, you know what I think it is?
You lose power to your whole shop.
It's this lead. Feel it. It's fucking hot already. Really?
Oh, okay, so we just need a more heavy-duty lead to go with this awesome heavy-duty Temu welder. I love your mask, Troy.
All right, safety first.
Safe practices at Reed Custom Garage. That's better, Troy. Seen this week, Lockie and Troy have done a great job repairing the lower rear window corners of this HK. We've test fit the rear window and it fits beautifully. Take a look at this little Steve Irwin kiddie ride here. Paint was flaking off it, all the white paint, and we were tasked with respraying it. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell, continue this journey with us. Steve and our little alligator friend here would really appreciate it. Now mate, it's back to Australia Zoo.